Hello everyone. I today I'm going to show you Kenmore's older direct drive top load washers. So this is actually at my dad's house. This was bought from Andy's Secondhand Appliances. Just about on maybe Memorial Day, I guess. This is a Kenmore Ultra Fabric Care Heavy Duty 80 Series, and then we'll take a look inside. You kind of got the dual action agitator. It's pretty nice. It works. This machine still works just as great, so it just looks a little bit rusty, but oh yeah, and I might have not shared it with you, but if you notice, there's a little rust spot right there on the drum, right there. Also, right there, there's a rust spot. I guess that's just because of how old the machine is. Excuse me. Here's the make and model number. The model number is 110.92283-100. Serial is CB4322019. Stock is 22. I don't know if you can see it, but I can't really focus. Stock is 22831, 10 amps, 80 HZs, 120 volts, Sears Roebuck, and Co. USA Kenmore. Listed is 118G. File is UL file is E12477. So I think that's about it on the model make and model number plate. We got the detergent right there, and then the straw. I'm going to use this straw to activate the lid switch because it's much smaller than the pen that I usually use, because I actually have to hold the pen down. That would just be, it just come out sometimes. So also another thing, when this machine goes into the spin cycle, it's gonna shake a little bit, you know, because I guess we need to level it up a little bit better. So here's the control dials, and then the settings over there. We're gonna do a warm wash, cold rinse, and then a medium load, because we don't have that much stuff right there, but it's gonna be a medium load. So I'll show you the back of it. There, yep. Here's the dryer as well. Kenmore Ultra Fabric Care Heavy Duty Soft Heat. And there's the Fabric Care cycle signal, push to start, and then the timer control dial. Yep. The door switch is on the other side, actually. It's a very nice, it's kind of a different dryer. And there's an access panel below the door. It's kind of convenient. That's an electric dryer. You can tell that it's an electric dryer because if you look at the plug, it's a big plug. It's actually a big rubber plug. It's not actually a standard plug, kind of like the washer has. And plus they don't use burners to ignite the heat into the heat source of the dryer. They actually use a heating element coil instead to ignite the heat into the heat source, so which is basically nice. And that's about it. So I'll see you in the next video when I can get this loaded and all ready. So alright, well, we'll see you in the next video.